What's good people? It's your boy Big Ace back in the building here today with another one. Big shout out to today's sponsor of the channel and the channel here moving forward at the Masondogg Academy of Technologies. That'll be the Masondogg AOT. Please visit their website. I will leave a link in the description box to go check them out. So you guys, if you need to have one-on-one consultations, anything of the sort, shoot them an email request on the website and they'll be more than happy to take a look at your inquiry on a case by case basis. Okay, guys? Now, Big Ace, what we doing here today? All right, it's a beautiful day. You outside, you repping your NFL team today. It's a playoff weekend. What are you doing, Big Ace? Well, I'm here. Boom. I don't know if y'all can see that. Boom. All right, this is why I'm here today to show people that this thing here is real. A lot of people still don't think crypto is real money. Okay, I can't tell you how many families and friends hit me up. It's like, man, you messing with crypto. I still don't understand it. Blah, blah, blah. And I'm like, I still don't get how y'all don't understand it. But what it did do is motivate me to make this video and get out here so I can tell you guys how this is actually real money. So what we gonna do today, guys, because it's a beautiful day outside, is I'm gonna take my card and actually go and take money off of it. Okay, so you can see that this is real money. As you see, Coinbase Card. Okay, I already loaded up my funds. I loaded 105 on there just in case the ATM charges a fee and things of that nature. So I'm gonna go in and pull off $100 from the ATM. Okay. So you guys like, man, where you get the Coinbase card? Like I was saying in one of my previous videos, that Coinbase.com is a definitely good place to start for the simple fact that they do have the card to where if you do want to go make purchases, go shopping, things of that nature, um, they do offer the debit card that you can send your cryptos to and actually go and use the money to buy whatever you need in the real world, as we say. Okay, so I loaded 105 on there. Okay, and I will take you guys on a journey with me here shortly. Brand new card, just open this one up for you. So you see it's no transactions. When I get back later from the ATM, it should have everything that was accomplished on the card when I get back. Okay. Now, a couple of frequently asked questions now that I'm here before I take off and actually get to go shopping here with you guys. Where can and can't I use the Coinbase card? Okay. Coinbase card can be used anywhere that Visa is accepted. Anywhere, any website, any store, anything of the sort. Okay. But of course, you have certain categories that's prohibited: gambling, massage parlors, dating escort services, brokers, dealers. You can't use them for money orders or wire transfer, government owned lotteries, licensing horse racing, just pretty much any type of gambling, anything of the set. Cryptocurrency businesses, money services, so marijuana related businesses. So just those type of things, guys, that is saying that you can't use it. Of course, typical things. What happens if you lose your card? Go through the set process. It's just telling you the processes on how to go to retrieve it. And it takes about 7 to 10 days. And as soon as you apply for the card initially as well, it takes about 7 to 10 days for it to come out to you. Okay. All right. Just like any other debit card, guys, you can dispute the charges as well. Like it takes up to 10 days for it to settle, just like any other typical debit card, guys. Um, can you use it to pull cash out the ATM? Yes, you can, as I will be showing you guys here shortly that you can take money off of it. Okay, send your XRP, your BNB, your Stellar, whatever you're into. If it's offered on Coinbase, you can send it to your card to be able to use it. Okay. So just another example, are there fees associated with spending? There are no fees, okay? whatsoever when spending the card. They actually have some good cash back features as well, and I'll go into more detail on those as I go out shopping here a little bit more. But it includes the spread and the price and the buy and sell of the cryptocurrencies, just like it's a fee and anything associated with sending funds to another wallet, things of that sort. It'll be the same when sending it to your Coinbase card. Okay, guys? So there's a ton of information. You can learn more about the card. Just go to coinbase.com/card. Okay. Now, like I say, that's why I'm here in today's video. So what I was doing, just wanted to show you guys that, you can set a PIN number, all of this sort. This the actual physical card. I already have money I sent over to it. The reward I set up is I get 0.5% back in Stellar. That'll be XLM. So every time I make a purchase, anything of the sort, I will get 0.5% back in Stellar. Okay. So who doesn't love cash back or anything of the sort? Now you can change this option to whatever you want. You can get Bitcoin and cash back like 0.5% in Bitcoin. Is different ones that they offer to where if you wanted to review it, you can do that. And so you can choose a reward that you want to add. So as you see, these are the rewards here, guys. They have Stellar, USDC, Bitcoin, and Ethereum are the available rewards. Okay, and like I say, I chose Stellar. You can choose USDC, Bitcoin, whatever you guys want to choose. Okay, so just to wrap this up, for the home part of this video, like I say, it's a beautiful day outside, and I feel like going to spend a little bit of money here today before all the playoff games here start. So I will be back checking in, and peace. Be back later, guys. Come roll with me. What's good, good people? I am here with my Coinbase card out here in the wilderness, per se, to show you guys that crypto is real money, guys. So, let me get out here to show you guys what's going on here. Stay tuned. Nah, I'm just walking up. Yeah. Alright, guys. Alright, let's give it a shot. Let's see what's good. Alright. right, of course, I'm not gonna show y'all my PIN number. Boom, what would you like to do? Let's do cash withdrawal, boom. What would you like to do? Boom. Okay, cool. I only need a receipt. Check in. Let's do 100. $4 fee. Why not? High ass ATM machines. Boom. Real money, guys. Thank you. Oh, yeah. Yo! Oh, as you can see, guys, crypto is real money. You can withdraw from the ATM like it's nothing. Real money, real world. I'm finna go eat, get some gas, all that good stuff. So I appreciate y'all tapping in with me. Until next time, guys.